Tornado emergency for Chester. The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Randolph County in southwestern Illinois. Until 10 p.m., at 9:14 p.m., a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed over Chester, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Chester. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Expected hazards included a deadly tornado. Tornadic debris was confirmed by Doppler radar. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Bremen around 9:25 p.m. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.